subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is reportedly working on its upcoming phone called Galaxy M22, and before the launch, the smartphone renders and specification has surfaced online by Deals and Tech. According to leaks, the Galaxy M22 will support a 6.4-inch HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a U-shaped notch at the top center that will house an 13-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. The textured rear panel of the phone is seen to feature an quad camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The quad rear cameras will include one 48-megapixel main camera, along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the Galaxy M22 will come powered by MediaTek Helio G80 processor, paired with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that will be expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of software, the handset will likely run on Android 11 out of the box, and it will pack with a massive 5000 mAh battery that will support 25W fast charging. Additionally, the leaked renders also suggest the phone to feature an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone will include dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is set to measure at 159.3 by 74 by 8.4 millimeters, and it will weigh around 199 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Samsung Galaxy M22 is expected to price in the European market around €240, and it will be available in black, white and blue color options. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy M22 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.